Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you about linear equations in one variable. So linear equation consists of variables and constants. So now let me teach what are variables and what are constants. So first let me explain it with an example. So I'm taking the example 3x is equal to 15. So here first let me take it for 15. So 15, can you tell 15 is equal to 12? 15 is equal to 18. 15 is equal to 100. Can you tell like that? No, right? Yeah. So you can't tell 15 is equal to this, 15 is equal to that. But you can tell x is equal to 15. X is equal to 12 because it doesn't have a constant value. But 15 has a constant value. So 15 is a constant, but whereas x is a variable because it varies, but 15 is a constant because it has a constant value, and x is a variable because it can vary, like it can be 15, 13, 11, 12, any number in the world. So now let's check for 3. 3 is also a constant because 3 cannot be 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. It cannot be like that. So 3 is also a constant. So you should always remember that is nothing but fixed value. What is constant? Fixed value. Constant is a fixed value. And variable is it can vary. Okay? So now I'll give you 3 problems in that you have to identify what are constants and what are variables. So by the way I'm giving, you have to think in your mind, okay? So the first one, 4x is equal to 20. Think in your mind, I'm writing, by the way you have to think, okay? Seven x is equal to 45 plus 4 plus x. So the third one, 12x is equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12. And the fourth one is nothing but 18y. It can be any number. Y, x, anything is same, right? Because it doesn't have a constant value. It varies. So it is a variable. 18y is equal to 36 plus y. So I think you were thinking by the way I was writing. So with confidence, I'm going to tell the answer. So here 20 is a constant because it doesn't change. 4 is a constant because it is a constant value. And x is a variable. So next I take 7. It is a constant. X is a variable. 45 is a constant. 4 is a constant and x is a variable. 12 is a constant. X is a variable. 12 is a constant. Here also 12. Here also 12. All these 12s are constant. So here 18 is a constant and y is a variable. 36 is a constant and y is a variable here. So I think you all are right. Claps for you guys. So now I'm going to teach you how to solve a problem. Before learning how to solve a problem, just listen to me for a minute. Now while I'm teaching this, you'll think why is she teaching this? But you'll understand while solving a problem. Just listen carefully. So plus will always be equal to minus, and minus will always be equal to plus. Don't think equal to means something else. You'll understand while solving. And division will always be equal to multiplication, and multiplication will always be equal to division. So just remember this for now. You'll understand why I thought this while solving a problem. Just remember this for a minute. So now let's see how to solve a linear equation. For example, let's say 3x, which is equal to 15. So here 3x is nothing but 3 into x. You have to always remember that if there is no symbol between, like if it's written 3x or 5x or 5y something, if there's no symbol between two numbers, it is called as multiplication, which is equal to 15. Now x is equal to 15 by 3. You know why it became division? I said you in the before, you remember? Divide will always become multiplication and multiplication will always become division. This is very important. Now you got it why I said you to remember? Yes. So x will be equal to 15 by 3 is nothing but 5. And now we solve the problem. Let's solve another problem. So the other problem is, yeah. So 5x is equal to 40. So here 5x means 5 into x, which is equal to 40. So x, which is equal to 40 by 5. I'm going a little fast because you solved the before problem, right? That's why. So 40 by 5 is nothing but 40 by 5 is nothing but 40 divided by 5, which is 8. So let's solve another problem which includes division, subtraction and addition. So now the problem is 3 plus x is equal to 20. So x here is equal to, plus will always become, here plus is there, plus 3. So plus 3 will always become minus 3, which is 20 minus 3. So x is equal to 20 minus 3 is nothing but 17. So here we solved it. Let's take another problem. 18 plus 3. Okay, let's take 18. Here let's take 18 minus 3 is equal to 20 plus x. 18 minus 3 is nothing but 15. So 15 is equal to 20 plus x. So here, so 18 minus 3 is nothing but 15. So which is equal to 20 plus x. So x is equal to 15 minus 20, because here it's plus. So which is equal to minus 5, which is equal to x, and hence x is equal to minus 5, and the problem is solved. So this is up for this video, and let's see in the next video, and you have some problems to solve, so which will be kept in the description box below. It is a PDF, so go through it and see you in the next video. Goodbye.